In today's video, I'm going to teach you merge cells into a single row in Google Docs. If you are working with a table in Google Docs and want to turn several adjacent cells in the same row into one larger cell, the process is very simple. This can be useful when you want to create a wider heading, combine information into one continuous space, or make your table layout look cleaner and easier to read. To begin, open your Google Docs document and locate the table that contains the cells you want to merge. Once you find the correct row, click and drag your cursor across the adjacent cells you want to join together. Make sure the cells are side by side in the same row and that they are all highlighted before moving on. Taking a second to confirm your selection helps avoid merging the wrong part of the table. After the cells are selected, right-click anywhere inside the highlighted area. This will open a context menu with several table-related options. In that menu, look for the option labeled Merge Cells and click it. As soon as you do, Google Docs will combine those selected cells into one continuous row space. The new merged cell will stretch across the area that the separate cells previously occupied. If you prefer, here is also another way to do the same thing using the top menu bar. Start by highlighting the target cells just as before. Once they're selected, go to the top of the screen and click Format. From there, hover over Table to open the table options, then click Merge Cells. This produces the same result, so you can use whichever method feels more comfortable for you. When merging cells, keep in mind that the contents of your selected cells may be combined into the new merged area. So it's a good idea to quickly review the text afterward and adjust the formatting if needed. You may want to realign the text, add spacing, or resize the table slightly, so everything looks polished. This is a small formatting tool, but it can make a big difference when you are organizing information inside a document. Whether you are building a schedule, creating a form, or designing a structured layout, merging cells helps simplify the appearance of your table and gives you more control over how information is presented. Thanks for watching.